skipper Kotoko captain
Yes.
But I won't summon at the bebro. But Asante Kotoko here. Richard Boadu Agadas, former midfielder and a former skipper Kotoko captain.
Yes.
Agadas Echo Camp. Agadas Efri Camp. Agadas Asanko Camp. May confirm the amount say Richard Boadu Agadas and on your Asante Kotoko A training.
Okay.
Na Agadas no Kotoko a transfer no ediko Libya. From Libya, onya a deal to Tunisia. And we pray. It Agadas a pray no on shada more Arctic football sa. Ni pray na de ne surgery ene nneoma nyina akoso ne rehab ne nyina wawie. Kotoko wanted Richard Boadu to train for assessment, monitoring, evaluation. Initially, Richard Boadu said no. On your player, just obey trials answer. Wamudi ding common kakranka for a deal no. After Agadas Ajatuma ene were training with Asante Kotoko. Eagle no at the report every Kotoko training grounds about and 24 players in a training with Kotoko. Who's a Kotoko squad list of one ounce here? Now you're 26. No more conquer. Kotoko Kodrunka no Walid Fuseni Nema Epra, but in the good news, our Walid or Mede Bremo. A branch of the thing at the Hibajo. Any young player bakuno Lawson Mo Aqua national team. A 23 every 26 ma. Pierre 23. But then there 24 players in the year training. Esan say Richard Boadu Agadasa. Because let's not publish no de conquer no count.
Okay.
And the way training be. So Asante Kotoko, one a former captain, a training and with Kotoko. And that training no omo anya gidi base but a branch a participative fully. Coach no unzo at the pole ba kutim be chimsa na picks na ketwa bi sa endurance na din brutal one we have got o musu anti baby and the instruction is that obi anyina you don't stand that every point that you should be running and eagle no echirema Agadas the strength and the bibi under so ho yeah the strength and that so but I'm saying penfa catch and say omo he na asiri mo eduka kren omo de be to special training therapy so oye training ni nyina no gym work na de beba mu serebe a obe share some of the weight na we put on nti me pacho Agadas finally a training with Asante Kotoko and the American say in fact coach you know Emma Agadas up to a necessary training na akwanya bia ni obi so beba so it was take it or leave it off and Kotoko the man say person woni eto so dey just obey training but and Saturday twemu a
no
akwanya bia ni obi Pierre ma nyina we so na menkai atiefo mutie say Asante Kotoko awie training enne no Wamo aye 4 weeks of preseason.
Okay.
1 month no.
Yes.
If in next week, what is a player be about Asante Kotoko training grounds wa a player Kotoko assign no.
We net try simbia.
Coach na catch no say number of weeks aka to league any competitive action no. Only bre out by observation be. Enti ya identify way and you got on the number.
Yes.
Now Obaba join the team no more boko money. Into trials, observation, monitoring, evaluation, whatever you want to call it, it is done and the last day. Filler time say Kotoko anya trials be a more observe player be a say what is the player be a joining Kotoko camper? A player Kotoko akoton.
The filler man.
Tisa Kotoko afa Eric Beta wa me ono nya trans Kotoko afano
ba be yadwuma
a branch the thing ade Solomon nso asa Kotoko afano Kofi Bini Marius Angie Kotoko afano enya trans sem enti sapepe ene che ewo a Asante Kotoko wamo trans ne nsensem no wonom atoprodu
the film
and Richard Bodu Agaras ene yɛde to dwa sɛ o training with crop ya Asante Kotoko metema yɛbɛtumi ɛde ɛno ato dwa ɛde ama ho ɛnɛ 24 players no 3 goalkeepers
okay
Danlat Aziz abrante de din ɛde Cleverson Obeng right back Kote Emmanuel ɛne abrante de din ɛde Abu oko left back Patrick Asiedu Ali Umar center back some available no Kofi Bini Marius Angie Isa Yakubu after abrante de din ɛde Musa Hamzata ɛna Joseph Amwa ano left back a coach no ɛdno akɔ central defense no midfielders no Lord Hilaria Dabo Seth Kojo abrante de din ɛde Abdul Kade 3 no ɛna Agadas ɛso so number 4 ɛwɔ middle no mu afei uram ɛwɔ attackers na onim sɛ Emmanuel Mama ɔjoine Kotoko won kran Emmanuel Mama abrante de din ɛde Inso Solomon Asa ɔno wɔ hɔ Inusa Adams ɛwɔ hɔ Bismarck Ofori ɛwɔ hɔ Donzo Morfin ɛwɔ hɔ Dogo Yakubu meme ka bozo bi ba na pepe Dogo ni Donzo da so ɔmo hɔ Dogo ɛne Donzo ɛda so ɛwɔ nkran ya wɔnom ɛyɛ training nti sɛ minya bi wɔm de Asante Kotoko team wɔm yɛ training no ɛna me de atodwa ɛde ama no now to the fellas
the film
Mami abrante de did Emmanuel Sanja ewo page na so. Emmanuel Sanja na esa me activity research desk na sisi na iwuram. Sanja a player o si akan edema Vision FC.
Yes. Sanja na screen.
We graduate coach Kamara ede omo hyase ewo Asokwa Namoro no. Unza na ye Asokwa Deportivo. ɛna yɛtɔn team no ɛna yɛbɛyɛ academy Namoro Sanja in fact ɔno na gyina coach Kamara nkyɛn ɔmo mu gyina nkyɛn no Apia Makati no bɔwura no midfielder no Apia Makati free kick wura eti coach Kamara manager ne same VV ɛna Sanja eni eti the first class of players yɛde ɔmo yɛ Asokwa Namoro no na Emmanuel Sanja account.
Okay.
Akwadana akopiem ewo Vision.
Okay.
Or a right back, but the right back no. Because supporters amene mu din komo no otise Samuel Inku right back rebi. Otise Emmanuel Frimpong kotokofa abranje bi eba kroma. Emani wuram ewo the Black Stars of Ghana on. Sa right backs na yahwe mu kumase no. Ebi ena akwadai ebo. And they know say Asante Kotoko are close to agreeing a deal with Vision for the service of Abrante Didi Emmanuel Sanja. Age our Quran says that ne page about.
Oh yes,
academy player or Asquaha.
Strong player.
And Aquadano Eurum. A bar yenya cross bar. Yeah, na on Sunday in swingers and Amra. Or a very strong una. Well, because I know young kitten into Aquadano, who could cheer for so. But only see you about the Zawako Pimadi,
Bopinina,
yes. Unim say only 18 years of age.
Sanja
Emmanuel, 18 years of age.
18.
And Aquadano were born national under 17 pen. And now under 20 grano. Players are not so murum Emmanuel Sanja. Now a player. And paying any edinachi pa 18 years of age.
Very young player.
Very, very young player. 13th January 2008.
The film.
And yawu Emmanuel Sanja. And me the two just say Emmanuel Sanja. Asante Kotoko. Unim say Kotoko air training ewo Legon Park na so University of Ghana.
Yes.
Ewana national under 23 for enso air of training. Ewana national under 23 for any Vision above friendly.
Okay.
Now friendly match, you know. Asante Kotoko coach Eric Tinkler. And the director of football no more.
Stanley Menzo no.
Almost sure crown about 15-20 minutes na ɔmo conclude say
no
ɔmo afrɛ administrative manager say ɔnyɛ checks no na afei ɔmo ni nkɔmɔ ɛmfa ntoa so. So less than 20 minutes into that game, the sporting director of Kotoko, football director Menzo, and the Tinkler had concluded that they need that ball. It in Comodiana Akoso, Penifua Sinkunya, Vision for Wamo Ade Omo Thames, Adi Amakrobia, Vision for no, Wamo Omo or transfer via Zomutriadema Namoro. Etoma disan komuni nyina atrim Asante Kotoko agree in principle so mo fa branch de din de Emmanuel Sanja asokwa boy ya wono ene osiakan edema Deportivo osiakan edema Vision no womo en awie so Emmanuel Sanja na kabinam ka so be mame ne national team picture no wanya no na amanfo ahu se ya e kan asema yintwantro it was osiakan ede ama ana 17 ya akwada na ne modemo e soro under 20 akwada yi awuram e nti Kotoko are signing a national team player Emmanuel Sanja, formerly of Asukwa Namoro, now with Vision FC, and a friendly game na Vision and a Black Meteors a boy no a wana Kotoko technical sporting director ne head coach akase o ma settle on Emmanuel Sanja omo wie sadi no champion Piero
the fella man
yenguram more fellas and amede ebro Asante Kotoko aso ye miguso ejina Kotoko aso ye my infant to just Asante Kotoko coach was requested for 2 players be
Eric Tinkler
requested for now and now me catch us up prima punta a typical center forward
a tona
center forward
let them
jenanim ho pia bra panya ya tranka sa is ago and a mercurial creative midfielder Petre no atre de pass na wuram no obi akwakoto
defenders
and the ball atwas the type of football no obo no e dependent on a skillful player be operate in front of 2 central midfielders normally are on typical holding midfielder gidigidi no enu ntina ai hit Prince Badu mo coach na anfa mo no on gidigidi number 6 or per midfielder o pass o direct play, o control play, dictate play, no. Sanko for the central midfielders. So he want to play 2 central midfielders, not the 1 attacking midfielder, skillful player. Ejina omanim. Na skillful player na dey or check pass na kwadi mu onko.
Tinkler football.
Yeah, Tinkler fadia be hu. Se fa
be exercise so group.
Na fan so be shipa, but yeah Bob by se be fa. Enti Tinkler I request say ope number 10. And no ana director of football no
Stanley Menzo
ono agencies on say at this point in time I say e bia Real Madrid Chelsea Liverpool player bi pra na ye pe bia and afa ni ye kwakwohwe videos and one say free agents no agencies no it is Rafaela Pimenta no afre no me hia number 2 no o free Hohe Mendes no eti Kotoko director of football or agent number of Africa.
Okay.
To a tituma no from me coach lezi or pair.
Simesi.
Typical number 10. Ye sika 7 ye. Nya na fe baka se player bi a boy yi pyramids Egypt na boy 800,000 ye ni size kan. To a chira Kotoko situation no. No wa task o se pen player e fa bre no. And no na mate se adwuma Asante Kotoko company for any abre omo e de 2 players na e bre coach no. 2 players.
Okay.
Omo be break coach no. Champion Piero.
Retaro precise the fella
Yengura has kakra. Yengura has kakra. Na House of Folk any abre